Okay, so one of the most important things we want to do, and if you have to call me up, tell me you had no idea what the height of your truck was before you started the installation, just call me up, we'll guess at it, but this is an important thing. So, real simply, basic measurement, I've got about 17 inches. And measure all four corners, please. So we're going to measure all four corners, and then we're going to check the alignment. If you have to take it out and get some help with this, it's good information to know where you are in your alignment before you start, because you're going to want this thing to be in alignment when you finish. So, so let's check the alignment. Okay, so we want to check the camber, and this one checks out at a ½ degree negative, so we're 0.5 negative on it, which is not too big a deal with the correct and let's go ahead and check the caster, even though we're not too concerned about it. Okay, so we don't even have 2 degrees of caster on this thing. The DJM parts built in have much more caster than this, so it's going to drive a lot better just because we put more caster in the beam. 2 degrees casters, a real wandery truck. It doesn't have power steering. Lower caster setting makes it easier to turn. Higher caster setting, you get up to 4 or 5 degrees. You really need power steering, so hopefully we'll split the difference. When it's done, will be about 3 degrees caster. So, but at least we know what it is now. And if we can get 3 degrees, 3.5 degrees, this thing's going to drive a lot better. So now it's a budget truck. We don't want to put a ton of money in it. Purchase price was $8,100, and the truck's pretty straight. It's not all messed up. It's pretty presentable. You can drive around, you can take some shows. You can have a great time with it. You can do more fix-up stuff with it, and it'd be a nice truck. Radial tires would help. I don't know if that's going to fit the budget. So we had a lot of electrical problems. We're probably in the thing about $8,600 right now. All the window parts, all the door latch, all's been replaced. And so now we want to lower it. And so I figure about $1,000 it's going to keep us in budget with that, take us up to $9,600. When this is lowered, it's going to look great. It's going to drive good. And $9,600 for a truck like this, I don't think you can buy a hunky junk for that. So we're in pretty good shape. It's anybody that's done this stuff before, customized cars, done classic trucks, y'all know you can get out of budget real quick and end up with something that's you have a lot more money in than it's worth, and you just want to fix this truck up so it's a nice driver, have fun with it. So now let's go underneath and see how much work we're going to have to do.